Hello viewers, you're welcome to my channel. I'll be showing you guys how to make this shower cap in details. If this is your first time to this channel, kindly check under this video. You see a red subscriber button, click on it and subscribe so you get notified when we post another wonderful tutorial video. Thank you, hope you have done that. Okay, now I'll be showing you, look at the material. I will show you how I cut it. You're going to arrange fold by 2, then fold like this, also fold it like as shown. Now you are going to take your measurement depending on how big or how small you want it. You are going to take that same measurement, keeping your tape at the extreme like this so that you get a circular measure, a curve measurement. Now you're going to cut it out. After cutting it out, it will be circle like as shown in this video. It will be circle like this. Hope you saw that. Okay, now to the sewing machine. Look at how you are going to sew it. You are going to make a printing like as I'm doing. You are going to print it circle, land it. You're going to print land this fabric. Hope you are understanding this. Make sure you print accordingly. As you are printing, you are stitching it at a time. Now the final one, then stitch it up. Now I cut out the thread. After stitching it, it will be like this. It will be like this. Hope you saw that. Now I'll be using this black fancy elastic to fix it up. Make sure you are dragging it a little. The length of this elastic is 22 inches, so you drag it a little, just little, and stitch it up. That's how you are going to stitch till you get to the land of this shower cap. Don't forget to click the like button and also drop a comment at the end of this video. Now now having stitched land, you are also going to stitch this place up. You're going to stitch it up. Now after you must have stitched it up, it will be done. You will trim out the excess. That's how to make a shower cap. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe button under this video. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe and